5 tips for keto diet beginners. Bonus tip, and this is really important, the keto diet isn't for everyone, so you want to make sure that you consult with your doctor first. Tip number 1, H2O. You have to drink more water as a ketogenic dieter because of the fluid excretion that happens when you are on a low-carb diet. Don't overdo it. How you know you're drinking enough water is if your pee is a light yellow or almost clear. Tip number 2, your diet should be a 75, 20, and a 5. So 75% good fats, 20% protein, 5% carbs. Tip number 3, if you're hungry, eat. Don't starve yourself. Just make sure that you're eating good fats. Tip number 4, make sure that you have snacks on hand that are accessible, that are low carb snacks. Tip number 5, don't cheat. It's not good to throw your body in and out of ketosis.